Have you ever wondered how much India spends on elections every time? In 2019, the Lok Sabha elections alone cost nearly 60,000 crores. Now, what if we adopt a one nation, one election proposal? Can it boost the country's GDP? Let's explore the facts and figures behind this ambitious plan.
The one nation, one election bill.
Your one nation, one election.
One nation, one election.
One nation, one election.
One nation, one election school.
What is one nation, one election? In India, elections are held at different times: Lok Sabha, state assemblies, and Panchayats. But the one nation, one election proposal suggests that all elections be conducted simultaneously on the same day. This could have several benefits. Not only will it reduce government expenses, but it could also bring political stability and accelerate development, cost reduction, and economic efficiency. During elections, the government incurs massive expenses. For instance, the 2019 Lok Sabha elections cost around 60,000 crores, and state assembly elections held every 5 years also require significant funding. By implementing one nation, one election, these costs could be significantly reduced. Savings could be made on election materials, security arrangements, and administrative operations. In 2018, the Election Commission estimated that conducting simultaneous elections could save up to 4,500 crores. This saved money could be redirected to development initiatives in education, healthcare, and infrastructure, contributing to GDP growth. Impact on government's focus and policy implementation. Frequent elections divert the government's attention repeatedly to the electoral process, causing disruptions in development activities. With one nation, one election, the government would have more uninterrupted time to focus on long-term development projects. For example, in 2019-20, India's GDP growth rate dropped to 4.2 due to economic slowdown. If the government had more time and resources, they could quickly implement policies potentially boosting GDP growth. Political stability and investor confidence. Political stability directly impacts investor confidence. A stable government post-elections focusing on development attracts positive attention from investors. Under one nation, one election, the government would have more time to implement policies after elections, enhancing investor trust. In 2020, the Reserve Bank of India highlighted that political stability and strong leadership could increase foreign investment, further boosting GDP. Potential challenges. However, this plan is not without its challenges. The biggest concern is whether regional and national parties can compete equally in simultaneous elections. Will regional issues get overshadowed by national politics? Additionally, the likelihood of election disputes and irregularities may increase, posing difficulties for the government. In 2018, former Chief Election Commissioner S.Y. Qureshi cautioned that holding simultaneous elections would be extremely challenging both administratively and legally. So, can one nation, one election boost India's GDP? Data and analysis suggest that this plan could promote economic growth to some extent, but it would require overcoming significant challenges. If implemented correctly, it could indeed improve the nation's economy. What are your thoughts on this proposal? Are you in favor of it or against it? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video informative, please share it with your friends. And if you would like to see more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. So finally, be happy, keep studying, and our country progress a lot.